When most people see a new Mercedes-Benz, they admire the elegant design, luxurious interior, or cutting-edge technology. But very few ever get to witness where that technology is born. Today, we're stepping inside Mercedes-Benz state-of-the-art Kecskemét plant in Hungary. A factory that isn't simply building cars. It's redefining how premium electric vehicles are manufactured. This is where the all-new electric C-Class officially enters production. The first thing you'll notice isn't the cars. It's the incredible level of automation. Across the production halls, hundreds of intelligent robots work together in perfect synchronization. Every robotic arm performs its own specialized task, lifting body panels weighing hundreds of kilograms, welding thousands of precision joints, applying structural adhesives, and measuring every component with laser-level accuracy. There are no unnecessary movements. Every second has been optimized. Every process is digitally monitored. The result is manufacturing with extraordinary precision that would be nearly impossible to achieve by human hands alone. One of the most remarkable innovations inside the Kecskemét plant is its flexible production system. Unlike traditional factories, where one assembly line builds only one type of vehicle, Mercedes-Benz has completely changed the concept. Here, gasoline models, hybrid vehicles, and fully electric cars move down the exact same production line. One moment, the line is assembling a combustion-powered C-Class. Minutes later, that very same line is building a fully electric model. The robots don't need to stop. The production flow never changes. Everything is controlled automatically through digital manufacturing systems that instantly recognize each vehicle and deliver exactly the right components at precisely the right moment. This level of flexibility allows Mercedes-Benz to respond to changing customer demand faster than ever before. But flexibility is only one part of the story. Mercedes-Benz has also dramatically shortened the supply chain. Instead of transporting major components across Europe, many of the electric C-Class's most important parts are manufactured directly inside the Kecskemét production complex. Large structural body components arrive only moments before installation. Even the high-voltage battery packs are produced locally before being transferred directly to final assembly. By bringing production closer together, Mercedes-Benz reduces transportation, improves efficiency, minimizes delays, and increases overall manufacturing resilience. Another fascinating technology lies almost entirely invisible to the human eye. Every vehicle has its own digital identity. As it travels through the factory, thousands of sensors constantly communicate with the production system. The factory already knows which wheels belong to the car, which battery it requires, which software version will be installed, even which customer specification the vehicle was ordered with. Instead of workers searching for parts, the correct components arrive automatically at exactly the right workstation. It's manufacturing driven by data.
Szinte már doromba haza.